MXN. Nu innan 4. Sen gick rakt in i orderblocken. Okej, vi är live. Vi are live. Hela länken. Blåser på samtidigt. MXN är i skitbra re-entry position. My people. It's time to get this MXN. All right, hype done. So my people, we are live. We just had news and we had some major action during those news. And now, let me just check my positions here quick before I start talking too much. I'm gonna re-enter actually on a sell on USD MXN, as we call it. And it's that big short, that major sell that I've been talking about for a while now. Been entering, re-entering. We're gonna look at it. Let's see. Just gotta fix my positions before I dive into y'all guys. Schmuck. Right, done. Okay, let's look at this. Let's get at this. Okay, so what I just did is I re-entered with another position here. I have entered so many times to this trade. I have my stop loss here in this order block. The thing now is selling the peso from here. You have to be very aware of what's going on down here. So first and foremost, we have a major gap that happened on Friday, sorry. I think it was news, news. And we haven't filled that gap yet. You see this gap here. So first take profit is 100% that gap, just above it, counted as a fair value gap. But then all this shaded area that you see here, all of that is on order block on the daily time frame. There you see it. Here you see also all my entries that I've had into this trade. It's actually on the 4 hourly, I think. Yeah, there we have it. So this is the order block, and this highlighted green zone, the extra green zone, that is an extreme order block. So when we come in there, you bet we're gonna have a reaction from there. How big the reaction is gonna be, I don't know, but I don't think it's gonna go above this level. So we're gonna bounce off it, come somewhere around this vicinity and reject and continue further down on this thing. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing right now for let's look at gold. I actually snipered this this turn very nicely, but I'm not going to brag too much about it because I got stopped out 2 times on the way down here. So it is what it is, but that was the cost of catching this trade because I was bullish. I knew this thing was going to turn up. I just didn't think it was going to go as deep as it did, but it did. Got it now, definitely in profit, even with those stops out on the way down. And that is because I use proper risk management. You know, guys, I'm always saying it. Proper risk management is key. But looking at gold, we got to look at some stuff here. All right, so let's remove this first. And look at this. All right, let me remove these also. I don't want no distractions. So we basically had this trend going on here. Beautifully. And now we're starting to break out of that trend. And the interesting thing is this here. Top, top, top. So this is the all-time high at 2,450. And that is what we're trying to break right now at the moment. When we break it, we have 2 options. We either gonna break through with a lot of volume and the thing is just gonna fly, or we're gonna wick above it. We're gonna leave a wick like this, and then it's gonna crash. It's gonna dump down. It's taking out all the stop losses there. So whatever you do, if you see this thing pumping very quickly upwards, be ready to stop your position. Or I'd rather say trail your stop loss. That's the most important thing. Is trail your stop loss, because if it pumps with volume quick up, very often that's a liquidity sweep. And those quick moves, you got to be careful with them. So the best thing you can do here, if you are in a buy position already, trail your stop loss. It will be choppy here. It will try to break through. It will be a little bit difficult with that, but we tried already once, rejected, but let's see if we can go for another try. I don't like this candle because it's shooting star or whatever it's called, and that is, it's actually a reversal candle, but it's not a very strong confirmation in this situation right now, right here. So we'll see. But that's gold right now. So first, does anybody have any open positions on gold? Is anybody in on gold right now? Is anybody in on anything? Share with us, guys. Type it in the comments. Type it in the chat. Uh-huh. My Solana trade is retracing a little bit. This one is also having a hard time breaking through. Back in the sweet spot we are. Interesting. Interesting. So we have 4 o'clock. That's what we always waited for, because 4 o'clock is an interesting hour because that's when liquidity often switches, and the little pullback you see before 4 o'clock turns into a continuation of the movement. So we'll see if that happens now. It's always a little bit, different when we got news. Let's see what we got Tuesday. Everything came out bullish, by the way, for the US dollar. But it was nothing, no dramatic numbers. We'll just wait and see what happens. All right. In the meantime, let's look at something else. EJ. So a lot of people want to buy EJ. I would say be careful with that. You see this wicks, wick. Lot of liquidity stuck below here. A lot of liquidity stuck here. And then on top of that, you got another wick here, and on top of that, and this is, remember, this is the wick that created this whole push. So there's a lot of stop losses down here as well. And then on top of that, you got this order block down here on the daily time frame. Guys, is very attractive for market makers to come down here and sweep all of this to push the market down here. I want it to happen, because if it happens, I'm all in here. When I say all in, it doesn't mean that I'm ready to blow my account for it, but I'm basically maximizing the risk according to my risk management plan, which is 1% of my funded accounts. So if we get there, I will be hardcore in. If we continue upwards and we take out this top, we close above this top, at least on an hourly time frame, then I will be bullish again, because then we have a nice market structure shift, and I'm looking for us to proceed further up. So we'll see. This is what it looks like for BTC right now. BTC nicely took out this high, closed above it. We retraced a bit today. And now it remains to see if this was enough for retrace, and we will continue upwards from here. We have a nice order block down there. They were inside. We could actually demark this one and mark out this here, because this is the new order block. It's actually already marked, man, I'm blind. Here it is, boom. That's what we are retesting right now. I'm actually going to remove this here also. Makes no sense. Solana, makes no sense. 1 minute, guys, because I gotta check my positions. What we got here? All right. I'm actually gonna go in on a buy on Solana right now. I'm already in buy, but I'm gonna add a position right now. Gonna show it to you in a minute. In a minute. Before, just gotta fix my positions. 54. Nice. So I just re-entered on Solana. Well, not re-entered, I added positions. So we'll see how that works out. Came in a little bit late actually, because this was a perfect re-entering. So I came in here, have my stop loss here. See if I can make something nice out of that. Yeah, man. So what? It's only me and Katze ID that is on that is in any positions. No trading from the rest of the people. And it is what it is. Let's see. I think gold is setting up for its next push. I think gold might come down all the way here to the EMA. I don't think it's going to go lower than that. We have this order block here. It's just accumulating some liquidity right now, and then it's shoot. Our peso trade, on the other hand, is not behaving well. Let's hope it respects the EMA. Yeah, that one is back at break even. Let's hope it respects the EMA and pushes down. Should do, actually. Should do. Everything is aligned for it to push down. One sec, just gotta check my positions again on my phone. Yeah, I think we're going in on this. Alright, let's see. We have, what I'm looking at right now is Mexican peso. I have 3 different accounts that I trade on, so it gets a little bit messy sometimes. 17.65 is my first TP. 65 100. All right, so I just added another sell on the peso there. I want to do the same on gold. I swear I feel so tempted to do it. I'm going to do it with a small position on my Cortana account. That's that. Yeah, that's it. Don't want to over leverage as well. So that's okay. I need to take out this top. And by the way, I got the question before where I'm taking my Solana trades. So that's not on a prop firm. That's or funded account or anything. I'm doing it on Bybit actually. So I'm doing it on Bybit on their futures derivatives platform. It's by far the best in the world. And also on my CryptoPips account. CryptoPips is a prop firm that is specialized on crypto. You can trade weekends 24/7. As long as crypto is open, you can trade in crypto, and crypto is always open. So they specialize in crypto. Platform is solid. I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek of what the platform looks like. Boom. You see a bit of it. Yeah, the screen is not matching right now, but just wanted to show you guys how it looks like. This is what we're doing right now on it. Maybe if I make it a little bit smaller. No. Back to this. Back to this. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do with this. Yeah, gold is struggling with that level. It's trying to break through. It's doing what it's doing. The most important thing is, for you to keep your eyes on, is that we are above this order block here. You can actually even refine this thing here to here. Boom. We are above it. When we are below it, that's not a very good sign. As long as we build support here, we will eventually take out this top. That is the all-time high. Yeah, man. Honestly, yeah, guys are super boring. Nothing is happening here. No comments, no interaction with me. So I feel like I'm talking to the wall. So I might just go ahead and trade by myself. Nah, but jokes aside, I'll probably be live around the same time tomorrow. Let's see when the news are tomorrow. We have news. No, I'm just joking. I won't be live tomorrow. Tomorrow is a very special day, so yeah. But I'm taking a day off tomorrow, so maybe I won't even be trading. Who knows? Yeah. But with that said, guys, have a beautiful day. Enjoy trading. Trade safe. Use proper